Toyo. Vinegar. Garlic. We're going to show you something what we did. Is he slipped some cuts to the meat. So all those flavors we see through or sip in the meat, and we'll have a much better tasting chicken in a cell, forming in a salad chicken. So yun po guys, luto na po ang chicken inasal. Kung gusto niyo po ng ganito, sundin niyo lang po yung video namin. Yung mga ingredients. Para matikman niyo na rin kung ano lasa nito, kung gaano kasarap. So then guys, nakain na kami. Don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.
Medyo manamis na.
One came home with a live chicken. Dalawang chicken namatay along the way because of the heat. So what they did was to grill it for their own consumption. They mix it with the fish. Ang sarap daw ng amoy. So merong lumapit, saka pwede bilhin yan. So that's the time they started na they would shift into chicken.
Lagi ako kumakain dito eh. Sarapan akong luto nila.
Juicy, tama-tama lang.